everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Got another unboxing. Having a good time with these unboxings. Someday I'm going to actually do all these diamond paintings. And then you're going to see 1,000 paint with me's. We'll just do paint with me all day long, every day. Now, this box has taken a bit of a beating. It came from China, but that's what the boxes are there for, right? So they take the beating and not the diamond painting, hopefully. This is nice and rolled up around a foam core. Oh, I like this one. This is like a beautiful little garden gate. And I will put the full picture up for you so you can check it out. See, there's the drills. Oop. Here's the tools, and I got a little present. It's funny, it's a little red thread bracelet with a little peanut charm on it. Isn't that funny? Okay, set the drills aside. Take a look at the tools. We got the white boat with the funnel, a big chunk of wax, tweezers, a pen with a single drill, a 3-placer, and a little 6-placer attachment. And I'm having fun with those extra placers because I take a single drill pen, and then I do my little rainbow loom grip, and then I'll take one of the extra attachments and stick it on the other end. So that's something fun to do. Anything crafty and I'm in. I'm happy to do it. Let's find a bag. Here's a bag. And we'll slide the tools in there. I don't know if you can hear, but BB is woofing at me from the floor because I'm not throwing her toy for her. She just wants to play because girls just want to have fun, right, BB? Okay, this is shrink wrapped, so which adds another layer of protection. That makes me happy. I think the worst is when your canvas shows up all damaged. Oh wait, no, maybe the worst is when your drills have spilled and they're loose in the bag. I don't know. What do you think is the worst? Add it in the comments. We'll have a contest. Okay, so this is taped really, really well. BB. Bring me your toy if you're going to woof at me. Bring it here, puppy. You guys may notice I call my dogs my puppies. BB is almost 4 and Charlie is 2. But they're like my forever puppies because they're so small. Okay, let's try to get this unraveled. This has a really nice grid over here. It has number 1 through 35. It has the symbols. Let's look at it together. I think this might be a Huacan because the symbols are kind of funky. Music notes and hashtags. Crooked triangle. It has the DMC number and the quantity. So that's good. I don't think this actually said Huacan, but I know that they sell through other companies. You know, if you have one company selling diamond paintings and you're doing well, well then 5 companies is even better, right? And I was right. It says Huacan right up there. I'll put the link underneath in the comments, and you can take a look at it. You know, I don't mention pricing. You may notice that. A lot of people do. But I find that my pricing is all over the place because sometimes I have coupons, sometimes I have a credit, sometimes, you know, I don't want to say, oh, I paid $20 for this, and then have everybody calling me out saying, hey, it cost me $28. What's going on? Or I only paid $15. It doesn't matter to me. You know, if you like it, you can buy it. If you want a better price, you know, some of these companies, you can haggle with them. You can write to them and say, you know, if you'll give me a $2 off coupon, I'll buy right now from you. And be prepared to walk away. You know, it's not a contest. It's just something we love to do. If I'm wrong, let me know I'm wrong. I'm wrong a lot. I'm learning this right along with you guys. But if you leave me nasty comments or constantly trying to one-up me to show that you know better than I do, guess what? I'm gonna block you. I don't want to hear from you. I have no time for negativity in my life. I am having a fun time, and if you want to have fun with me, that's perfect. Boy, am I rambling. You know, I had a problem with Walmart on Monday, and I wrote into their customer service, and today I got a call from my local Walmart with an apology and a refund. I have to just go in and pick it up. That is crazy, because I do not like to complain about things, at least not to people's face. Okay, there we are. The paper's all cut. As usual, Huacan is on the ball here. They do things the right way. Taking a look at the symbols. Wow, the symbols here look a little bit nuts because, you know, they use their symbols that are not the standard symbols, and it makes their canvases look very busy. But when you're focusing in on one little spot at a time, which is how I work, it looks great. Oh, and it's sideways. It goes this way. So it's like a beautiful garden gate with an arch and flowers all around. Very elegant. Very nice. Let me put everything back down. I'm gonna go put this, add this to the stash. Yesterday the stash got so big up in the shelf of my closet that they all slid out. So I heard a big thud, and then I walked in there and found all of my canvases on the floor. So that was a whole thing, having to pick them all up. Okay, let me open this up. I have such a hard time with these things. There we go. But that's okay. That means it's sealed up nice. I don't know if you've noticed, but I like to look on the bright side. I like to trust people. I like to think people mean well. until I'm proven wrong. And I like to look on the bright side. Because let's face it, sometimes life just sucks. But I couldn't imagine going through being all doom and gloom all day, every day. Okay, here's another nice thing about these Huacan. Usually they all come in a Ziploc bag already. And this has, all right, this is color number 2. It's DMC 208, and I need 559 of them. These drills look very nice, clean. They're not all clumped together. I think this is going to be great. So let me zip through and do a little inventory for you. Okay, well, I did the whole inventory using the grid on the canvas, since they don't give you a sheet, which is fine. Everything was here, and then I looked at my camera and realized I forgot to start it. So I'm sorry there's no inventory pictures on this one, but they are all here. Everything looks good. And you have a great day, and thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. Everybody's been so wonderful. We're all having so much fun together. I wish all of you could come to my house and diamond paint with me, because I have way too many diamond paintings. If you like my videos, hit like, subscribe, come join us on Facebook. The group is called Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Pretty easy to find. And let me know if you have any questions. Just write things in the comments. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.